Does your website need a redesign? Do you wish you could create pages without hiring a developer or waiting for IT? If so, I have something for you. A collection of web design templates for non-techies. It'll have you building your website and blog in no time. Let me give you a quick overview of the design templates. The home page is clean and modern and will help you to visually communicate your business positioning and value proposition. At the bottom of the page, you can add a custom call to action to generate leads from your site visitors. The header navigation adapts to the number of submenus, even growing to a mega menu when more space is needed. To help with usability, the mobile menu has large tappable toggles to drill down to the different submenus. To demonstrate the consistency of the design, I will quickly scroll through the various templates. Here is the About Us template. Next is the Team template, the Locations Map template, the Product Category template, the Product template, which allows you to add a product image gallery, product specifications, customer testimonials, and links to related resources and documents. The two-column interior template. I'm also demonstrating how the theme supports multiple languages. The FAQ template, and you notice each question is clickable with a hash link. The resources page template, the resource landing page, the resource thank you page, the blog index. The blog post template has the option to include a table of contents. This is helpful when you are writing long educational content. The article styles build a hierarchy of information, making it easier to read. You can also add a call to action at the end of each post to generate leads. The theme settings allow you to change the colors to fit your brand. Here you can adjust settings for typography, forms, tables, grid, header and footer, and blog. In this last section, I will demonstrate how easy it is to build a website page using the HubSpot CMS drag and drop page builder. You can follow the layout of a template or build something fully custom using reusable sections. Okay, here I am in HubSpot. I'm going to create a new page. I'm just give this a test for reusable section test and hit create page. And for this example, I want to just have a very basic page. So I'm going to use this interior one column and select template. So let's say I want to kind of build my own layout. I don't want to start with a template that has an existing grid system and content in there. I just kind of want to start from scratch. Using the one column template is a good place to start because I can delete this and start from scratch. But one thing that HubSpot recently added to their CMS is the ability to add reusable sections. So if you click on this plus button or icon, you'll get this panel here, and you can choose from different section layouts, and all these are just essentially a grid system that you can add to your page, and you can add whatever you want inside these little columns. But I also included these reusable sections that you can kind of find one you want to use and just add them to your page. So let's say I want to have this 3-column image and text section. You just hit select, and there it is. And so you don't have to build these sections from scratch. You can find one that works for you inside the library. So I'm going to add another one here. Let's do a common one where you want to have image and then text on the left. And I want to have a swap of that with image text right. And this is a very common layout that you might see on a landing page where you want to have this type of look. And if you want to do something custom, you can do layouts. Let's try a 3-column layout here. And then inside these columns, you can add your own content. So let's just use the default modules here, which rich text, and then I can add an image here. So you might run into this when you're editing pages as well. Sometimes you have to save and refresh the page because there's obviously something not working here. So I'm going to hit save and then refresh. So there's an image and rich text, and let's do another rich text over there to the other column. And let's say I want to save this, this custom one I just built into that library. What you could do is come over to the section editor panel, and here you can see the section, you can style section, clone the section, delete section, but there's a new option where you can save a section. So if I hit save, I can give it a name and call it text, image, text. And hit save. And then now, if I try to add a new section, I should see it saved. And there it is. It's nice to have them separated. So you have theme sections that are ones that I put into the theme. And any new ones you create, you can put into these save sections. If you'd like to view a live demo of this theme, please click the link in the description. Also, if you'd like to be notified of any future HelpSpot tutorial videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.